Alcohol consumption, that's the next problem. The beer consumption of Americans for the years 1960 to 2005 can be modeled by the equation, as you can see there, where X is the number of years after 1960 and Y is the number of ounces of beer consumed per person in that year. Find the per person consumption in 1960, then find in what year the model predicts that consumption will return to that level. So in 1960, that means our X is equal to 0, because the study is from 1960. That means X is equal to 0. And then we have Y is equal to negative 0.0665 times 0 squared. You know that is already 0, plus 3.58 times 0 plus 122. This is 0, this is 0. Then we have Y is equal to 122. That is what they want us to predict when, in what year, that this will return to that level. So if we have 122 is equal to negative 0.0665 x squared plus 3.58 times x. I don't need to put times there. 58x plus 122. If I subtract both sides of the equation by 122, then this is 0. Then I have 0 is equal to, I have a common factor here, that is x, and I have negative 0.0665x plus 3.58. I could have used also negative x, that's also alright. I think it is better. Negative x, so that this will become positive and this one becomes negative. So my x now, one x is 0 anyway, but the other is what we are interested for. 0.0665x minus 3.58 is equal to 0. Adding both sides of the equation by 3.58, then we have 0.665, 0.0. X is equal to 3.58. If we divide both sides of the equation by, I hope you see that, 0.0665, 0.0665, then that is 1, then my x now is equal to, I'll just 3.58 divided by 0.0665. Then it is 53.8. 53.8. Rounding that to the next year, it is 54. So if 1960 plus 54, and it should be 2014. The year 2014, they will go back again. I don't know if it's true. Yeah. On my next video, I'll be discussing construction problem. Let's see if we can do that also. See you around.